Hello students, welcome to the online classes. As we have revised our syllabus of computer, now today I will finish it. Okay, chapter 3 we have done. Now chapter 4 today we will complete. Okay, in last video we will finish that change case. Okay, in last video we have finished that change case, and today we will start stating line spacing. Setting line spacing. So students, in setting line spacing means we will set line spacing. Okay, means whatever we have written, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 10 lines, so we will set the space. Means one line we have done, second line we have done, third line we have done, fourth line. So these spaces is the we have done 1 line, 2 line, 3 line and 4 line. Okay, the distance, the vertical distance between the lines, this vertical distance between the lines, this is called the line spacing. So these line spacing we can set according to us. Means we can say 2 lines like this. So this you will, okay. So how we will do this? We use the line spacing, line and paragraph spacing, home tab. What we will do? Okay. See, where we will go, home tab, then paragraph, then line spacing and paragraph option. Okay, here we will go. Now there are the different options will come, and these options will come, and then one figure will come. There is a one option is there, line spacing. The figure will come in front of you. There will be one option is there. There is written line spacing. And how many times I revised you? Line spacing. By default, line spacing is 1.15. Okay, this I have corrected you once time. So line spacing, default line spacing is 1.15. But this you can change according to you. You can change 1.5, 1.4 as you want. Okay, how much line spacing you want? So this you can change according to you. No. So next is setting paragraph spacing. Next heading is setting paragraph spacing. Means just like we are setting space between the lines, like that way we can set space between the paragraphs. In which paragraph you want, just like we have done 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph and 3 paragraph. This paragraph we have done. So what we need a space. So these spaces we can set using the paragraph setting. Okay. So using the paragraph setting, what we will do? Same thing. Home tab, font group and then paragraph dialog box. Okay, and then paragraph launcher will come, and there is a one option, indent and spacing option is there. Okay, indent and spacing option is there. That will show you the paragraph spacing, left space, right space, top space, bottom space. So this way you can set your paragraph spacing according to you. These things you have to learn. Means where we can get the options, what is the shortcut keys, these things you have to learn properly, and everything other. Next is creating bulleted or numbered list. As I told you, what is creating bulleted or numbered list means? A bullet is a small graphic symbol set of an item in a list. Okay, set of an item in a list. This you have to keep it in your mind. What is the work of the bullet and numbered list? Bullet and numbered list is used to keep the sets in a number of lists. Means when you are going to type anything, so what you will do, you will put the one sign, otherwise take someone is written this, someone is written 1, someone written Roman number, someone is written A, someone is written. So these things you can get in MS Word. As I told you, these things we are using for setting up aligning sentences in a list. So these things what we will do, we use bulleted or numbered list. Where we will get it? Home, and then paragraph, and then we will get bullet. Okay, these things, and then you can get all the options, and then you will use. Next picture is MS Word. Last heading is printing and previewing a document. Okay, printing and preview. Printing and preview, for this I am going to tell you what is printing and preview, students. Printing and preview means hard copy. Tell you, printing and preview means once we have done our work. Okay, once we have done our work in a computer, so that what we want, we need a hard copy. Okay, we need a hard copy means print out. Okay, when we want hard copy, then we need print out. And what is print preview? What is print preview? Whenever we have done all the work, then what we will do? We will see the print preview. Okay, we will see the print preview. Okay, print preview means we are going to solve. We are going to see whatever we have done, everything is okay or not. Okay, means we have done our paragraph setting or not, we have done coloring or not, we have done paragraph spacing or not. Means everything we will see last in the print preview. Okay, last in the print preview we will see these things. Okay, so print preview, what we will do? When we look printed out on the paper, this features is on print preview. So features of print preview means we can modify the page margin, we can see the page orientation, and as I told you, the formatting, zoom slider, everything what we will do, we can do it. Okay, and then how can we see the print preview? Go to the file tab and print option. File tab, print, and then print. Okay, these options as we can use it for seeing the print preview. Afterwards, next is and the last is print a document. Okay, print a document means last we have done all our work. We have done all our work means we have done typing, we have done spacing, we have done coloring, we have done change case, whatever everything we want we have done, and the last we will come on the print option. Last we will come on print. So for printing a document, where we will go? Click on the print, file tab, and then print. Okay, then we use print. And for using the print option, means when you will go to the print option, there are many options will come. That is, if you want to use to print all pages, so you will select that time print all pages. How many copies you want? Means one copy of one pages, one copy, two copy of two pages, two copy. So how many copies you want? You will select this. You will select the printer, which printer you are using, inkjet printer, anything which printer you have, it is connected to your computer or not. Okay. And the next thing is orientation. You want to print your page in portrait or landscape. Okay. These things we will do in the print option. Okay. So students, this is all about today, and we have done today. revision of chapter 3 and 4, and if you are getting any problems, you can ask me in your live class. Okay, best of luck for your exam. Thank you.